Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about this knife. This is a Victorinox and it's the Swiss Spirit limited edition, and this one's from 2022. The whole range started in 2019. So Victorinox is going to sort of brought one out every year with that Swiss spirit in mind. So everything that sort of encapsulates Swissness, as they say. So it can be landmarks, sort of Swiss culture, Swiss nature. It's I enjoy the range, and I wish I had some of the earlier ones, but this is one from 2022. It's a cadet, so it's the cadet frame. So I'll show you how they come. So it comes in this nice presentation box. And inside you get this. So I like this bit. This special pocket knife is dedicated to the beautiful sights of Switzerland. Carry it with you. It's unique urban piece of Swissness. And then also it shows you. So if you have a look on the knife, it's all the sort of landmarks of Switzerland. And if you have a look on there, you can see what the landmarks are. So, but we'll go through that. And then obviously you get your usual how to use the tools. And all of their tools, I think, work really well. And, you know, it's a proven design, isn't it? And obviously they're bringing out that new box cutter. And it's actually on the 2023 range of this. So let's get the knife back in view. I'll leave that there. So a little information about the range. So it started in 2019. In 2019, it was the Evolution 10, and it was in walnut, and they only made 5,000 of them. So, and then in 2020, it was the Explorer, which was the cellar door covers, similar to this, not that colour mind, but and then 2021 was the Climber. That was in walnut. There was 12,000 of them made, and then they started making them in a bit more numbers. And then 2022 is this one, and then the 2023 is the walnut. That's they made 12,000 of it yet again. So I'll probably end up picking that one up. I got this for a great deal, guys, and you can still grab them now. I paid £40 roughly, somewhere around that for it. So definitely, I think, worth the money. So beautiful design. It's like embossed, so you can actually feel the raised parts of it. So on the front, it's lovely black and white, simple design, and it's got the black scale tools. So on the front there, you've got Lake Geneva, you've got the Chapel Bridge, and you've got the Gate of Spalen. And then on the back, you've got the Astronomical Observatory, you've got Zurich's church, and then a parliamentary building there. But really detailed, really sort of comes out at you on the white background with the black. I thought really clever, good piece of design. So the cadet, it's got the file. It's that type of file. It's got the main knife, and then it's got a can opener with a small flat driver on the top there, and then it's got the bottle opener, and then the Y stripper and the large flat screwdriver, flat bladed screwdriver. I've added this lanyard, very inexpensive, official one from Victorinox. But yeah, just a brilliant, beautiful knife, and I got some free swag with it as well. I got this beautiful postcard depicting a scene from Switzerland. But yeah, there's a proper postcard as well. But yeah, beautiful knife. I thought you guys would like to see it. Go and grab one yourself. Honestly, beautiful knife. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.